The purpose of the VHF DSC digital selective calling is to control the VHF transceiver and to automatically transfer channel information from the VHF DSC to the VHF transceiver. The VHF DSC is working in accordance with the recommendations and specifications of IMO, CCIR and CEPT for Class A DSC equipment in the maritime mobile VHF service. Automatic position updating can come for instance from the GPS receiver. The DSC is a worldwide system for ship-to-shore, shore-to-ship, and ship-to-ship calling. It is an essential element in the GMDSS Global Marine Distress and Safety System. It is used primarily for transmitting distress alerts from ships and the associated acknowledgements from coast radio stations, as well as relaying distress alerts from either ships or coast radio stations. The VHF DSC is also used for public correspondence with land networks through coast stations providing the service. Function key gives access to the submenus giving access to set up the VHF DSC. Distress menu key. This distress menu key is used for selecting the nature of distress. VHF channel menu key allows remote control of the channel selector on the VHF transceiver. Address book menu key is for transmitting stored calls. Received calls menu key gives access to the memory where received calls are stored. The calls are separated into distress and ordinary calls. Call menu key gives access to the simple ship-to-ship or ship-to-shore calls. Edit function key only to be used with the keys call and address book and when using function position where you must push edit to change a position previously stored. Send key starts the transmission of the DSC call. Last menu key returns to the previous menu until the main menu is reached. Next menu key is used to accept the data currently shown in the display and continue to the next menu. Up and down arrow key to go between the choices in the menu. When available, this is indicated by a flashing light in the button. Left and right arrow key for moving the cursor to the right or go between the choices in the menu. When available, this is indicated by a flashing light in the button. Zero to 9 arrow key numerical keys for entering the digit 1 to 9 or the letters depending of the type of input. Enter or stop. Entered data is stored. Note that some parameter inputs require a subsequent push of the enter key. The stop function terminates ongoing calls or alarms. Period sign key separator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.